Imagine cruising at 35,000 feet when suddenly the aircraft begins to pitch uncontrollably. Quite the unsettling thought, isn't it? This is what could happen if the horizontal stabilizer, an essential part of an aircraft, malfunctions. This unseen hero of aerodynamics, the horizontal stabilizer, sits at the tail of the aircraft. It's responsible for maintaining the balance and stability of the plane, allowing it to fly smoothly and predictably. When functioning properly, pilots can adjust the angle of attack, control the pitch, and prevent the plane from entering into an unrecoverable nosedive. But what happens when this crucial component fails? The aircraft could start to oscillate, pitching up and down in a terrifying roller coaster ride. The pilots would struggle to regain control, attempting to counteract the violent movements with their own inputs. Imagine the chaos in the cockpit, the fear in the cabin. Sounds like a pilot's worst nightmare, doesn't it? But what exactly causes this nightmare scenario to unfold? Well, there are several reasons why a horizontal stabilizer might malfunction. One common cause is mechanical failure. This could be due to wear and tear, poor maintenance, or even a manufacturing defect. Just like any other part of the aircraft, the horizontal stabilizer needs regular checks to ensure it's functioning properly. Another cause could be damage from external factors. This could be anything from a bird strike to severe weather conditions. These incidents can cause physical damage to the horizontal stabilizer, impairing its ability to control the aircraft's pitch. In modern aircraft, software issues can also lead to a malfunctioning horizontal stabilizer. A bug in the system or a failed software update can disrupt the electronic signals that control the stabilizer, leading to loss of control in the aircraft's pitch. So a small component, yet its malfunction can lead to a significant problem. It's evident that a malfunctioning horizontal stabilizer is a serious issue, but what are the ripple effects? Picture this. You're cruising comfortably at 30,000 feet when suddenly the aircraft begins to pitch uncontrollably. That's the immediate effect of a malfunctioning horizontal stabilizer. It's like trying to balance a pencil on your fingertip. It can tilt any way at any moment. This erratic behavior makes the aircraft extremely difficult to control. The pilots are wrestling with the controls, trying to maintain altitude and direction, but it's like trying to steer a wild horse. And the dangers? They're not just confined to the cockpit. The crew and passengers are also at risk. Imagine the fear and panic this could cause, the potential for injury as people are thrown about by the aircraft's unpredictable movements. It's clear that the horizontal stabilizer plays a crucial role in maintaining the aircraft's stability. It's not just a piece of metal on the tail, it's a lifesaver. Now that you're aware of the importance of a functioning horizontal stabilizer, it's time to share this knowledge. Imagine the impact if every pilot, every aviation enthusiast, every aspiring astronaut had this information at their fingertips. The ripple effect could be extraordinary. You see, knowledge isn't just about personal growth, it's also about community safety. When we understand the intricacies of flight, the role of each aircraft part, and the potential consequences of malfunction, we contribute to a safer sky. Consider this video as a small pebble. When you share it with others, you're creating ripples that can reach far and wide. It's not just about sharing a video, it's about spreading understanding, fostering curiosity, and promoting safety in aviation. Think about those who might be interested in learning about aircraft mechanics, or those who are looking to understand the intricacies of flight. Share this video with them. Remember, knowledge is power, and shared knowledge can be the difference between a safe flight and a nightmare scenario. So, share this video, and let's keep the skies safe together.